Everything's quite tatty actually, if you look at it. I'm going to just get our bikes parked up. Yeah, they look right over there, don't they? I mean, it's got potential, hasn't it? But it's...
Same with all of these places, they can always just do a little bit more care.
Yeah. Oh. Funny to see them though, isn't it?
No,
I'll have to get a photo of that in a minute. You know what I'm thinking?
Like your house is for like renovation.
Oh, totally.
If there's somewhere like in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
It's like, you see one.
It's so beautifully finished. Everything here.
When we were riding around that street,
Yeah.
whenever that one goes around there, you know, when you went the wrong way, it's just
Yeah.
like...
Everything's, I don't know, just seems to be more love.
Yeah, that's
There's
exactly
more love in everything.
more care.
Yeah. Look at the crap holes weeded round.
You go down the average residential street back home and it's just a bit of
Yeah. You got an airport here, have we?
don't think so. I think the nearest airport's West.
Was it? You realise just how bad Nuke is.
Yeah.
All the buildings there.
Level of care.
Which is no love or anything, you know. This is what I said at home, we need more often one-way streets. Look at all the parking.
Well, it's at first trying to figure out where you're going.
Yeah.
But it works, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well, yeah, once you know, you get used to it.
Enough, you get your bearings
Yeah.
about it, don't you?
Some of the roads in Newquay, that's what I should be doing, the one that instead of closing the level crossing, just make it one way. Some of these places with character, you can still buy decent places in front.
Yeah. I don't think it would cost that much to maintain a level crossing at Jet.
No, of course it
Maintain
doesn't.
lights.
Lazy sods.
Just like, I mean, I'm going to complain about it because it's like
Yeah.
going to make my way to work probably slightly longer. But
Yeah.
It's like, you know, can you imagine if you live like right just after the crossing,
Yeah.
and now you're going to have to go all the way around to the school and back around that way. If you
Yeah.
want to go, like, Redwood way.
You know, if we could go down the alley and have a look down there.
Yeah, can do.
You know what I like?
Yeah.
I like the accent.
Yeah, you know what? I see that.
Everything sounds like it's a... What do you think you're going to say? Do you want to get chips for dinner? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Do you want chips for dinner, or do you think you'd like to have some beans? That's what it comes across as.
Yeah. You know, I didn't even notice this little
No.
basket.
Yeah. Little creperia.
Just looks cared for.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Even like this place looks a little bit like run out.
Yeah. It's just got, I don't know.
Just something about it.
Yeah.
It's almost indescribable. It's like,
Yeah. I think there's love there.
yeah.
We don't give a monkey's arse at home, quite honestly.
You notice the difference from
Yeah.
box to continent, don't you?
Oh, totally. Look at this here, look.
Isn't that such a view, though?
Wow. And no dogs. Look. Wow. Proper sand.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. That's got to be a YouTube in a minute. Well,
That boat there.
oh, it's going, is it?
Yeah.
It's just leaving. Were we over there earlier? Or am I imagining that?
No, I don't think.
No.
We saw all of that, I think. But
Yeah.
I'll be honest, the boat really screwed me over in terms of
Yeah.
see it in comparison. It's
Oh.
just a different way, to be honest.
Do you mind if I swap sides a
Yeah,
minute?
of course.
That way I can do the panorama around, can't I? Yeah, it's a different game, isn't it? It's a definite thing to get the language going.
Yeah. I might start doing it.
Yeah, I'm going to keep it going tonight. I mean, doing it properly now.
Yeah.
In Spanish, you could probably get any situation I could deal with. You know? Yeah.
That's probably less.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can get like Spanish. Can't really, but I can at least get basic sentences.
Yes. Yeah. But like today, I said, and I gave it the paperwork, and that for me isn't good enough. I want to be able to go, like, in Spanish, do you know what I mean? The nombre. I could do the whole thing. I thought you meant that was the island.
No, it's a proper like. I didn't think there was much there, but it's a proper little island. Like
That's right. So we saw them then. I thought I went down, and you can walk over there. And I thought, what if it took you back? And it's like, no, it's for people to walk.
someone else.
Yeah.
Don't remember who it was. Someone else had got the ferry over and just looked around like the.
Yeah. Yeah.
They were sure for like 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah. I'm not having to keep coming over. You know. I think one thing's I'm a bit flat. I'm just tired.
Yeah.
But I'll probably ring up next time and say we should just book it. You know.
Definitely try it.
Yeah. Oh, pretty much the same.
Pronunciations that I struggle with.
Yeah.
Just some of them which I've just got to. Realistically, I'll probably try to learn for about 2 days.
Do you know what I learned?
Completely evaded my mind.
It was words like an, A-I-N. It was like an. I couldn't quite get the pronunciation right.
Yeah.
But that's okay. When we do Spanish, we say it probably with a slight English accent.
Yeah.
You know? We're going, oh, yeah. See, I was going to say it in Spanish, très bien. That's French, isn't it?
Something like that, isn't it?
Yeah. Très bon is good.
And I'm just going to come out at the end of the week and make us look stupid.
No, she's not. But yeah, there's a big difference there.
Big difference between typing.
Between typing it, you know, and like I said to her, oh look, so they park in the middle here. I don't mind getting on the bike going for a ride later.
Always can do.
Yeah, I'm quite happy to do it. I think it's nice to mix it up a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, George.
Oh, this is pretty gorgeous, isn't it?
Look at that. Wow. How beautiful is this? I'm just going to go in front of you for a sec so I can get that visually around. I can pan round then, see? Yeah.
You can get the ferry though, pop right there and stay at the Ibis.
Do you know something? Yeah. Yeah, is that the Ibis there?
That one there.
Oh, yeah.
See why
Yeah. Ah, yeah. I wonder if you legally can park there.
Probably not technically, but it's more about if anyone's going to actually
Say anything? Yeah.
say
Yeah.
Can't tell me the Ibis has no parking.
No. This is such a beautiful place. I'm going to ring Mum in a minute and say, look, go ahead and book it. Are you happy to come back?
Yeah,
I'll let her do the school run first.
I'll be back on like the Monday or something.
Yeah, be coming back out Friday and going back on Monday again.
I'll see how the first leg goes on Thursday anyway. 'Cause I
Yeah.
very might well just like decide it's not worth going if we're like in front 5-0.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
I've got to put it on a reset. Oh, what walk could you ask for?
I know.
Drivers are a lot nicer than the
I know. Yeah. And they're all smiling. In England, they're all like, they've all got lovely big grins on their face. So, do you know, I love Google Maps.
Yeah.
We did this on Google Maps.
Exactly.
Yeah. This is just the right level of busy for me.
Yeah.
Anything more is too
It's a
much.
bit of
We've got to
atmosphere,
do-
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stay out of your...
No, don't worry about it. I'll let it around. No. Beautiful. The French, like the Spanish, have got style.
Yeah.
I look at the comparison to like Stamford in Britain, and it's run down. Everything's so beautifully finished.
I've been to Stamford actually.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember. I would have been. I don't remember.
Yeah. Let's come down and have a coffee then.
Yeah. You can always do that tomorrow morning. Oh. Doesn't get much cooler than
Oh,
does it?
how beautiful is that? Yeah, maize, look, the House of the Onion.
Yeah.
Where would you get a House of the Onion normally?
Pretty good, I'll give you credit.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, there's a milk float.
Quite a relaxing sound.
Yeah, so many balls knocking. I don't want everyone to hear it. I don't know what that means. So you said I've been too good at you.
Yeah. Oh, that's not like, you know.
No.
It's a lot.
Yes. And that's within a walking distance of there. I bet the Ibis is a good idea.
Yeah.
There's probably always somewhere you can.
You'll find somewhere, even if you have to walk.
Oh dear, look at my ranks. Well, we'll have to buy some and take back for.
Well, when you've got the car and I can shove as much rubbish as I want in the boot.
We're going to take nothing out and take loads back.
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a ferry down there. That's it, I went down there on Google.
Oh, yeah.
And you can walk down there.
So I think we want to let you carry forth the coffee. I think it's down here as well.
Okay. Look, see here for gifts and that.
You'd be better off doing this, you would, than
Yeah.
like on the boat.
Oh, totally. I'd rather get them something here than messing around later. Mate, lovely pictures.
€8. I might
How
get one
much?
of those at some point.
How
€8.
Oh, I might get one.
If,
They are beautiful, aren't they?
that's really good.
We'll do that. Take them some, look, 3 for $5. Oh, they for the hell. Bracelets. Beautiful.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. We'll just come and get the kids something,
Yeah.
you know? Oh, they're lovely, they are.
I really like that. Oh, I love the one with the camper.
I might get a couple of those
Yeah.
and put them in frames. Yeah,
Right.
they're gorgeous. Should we come back and do that?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah. It is. It's a little mini one, isn't it? I'm going to take a couple of those home.
Yeah.
We'll go in there later. I might, if we come this way back, I might do that then. Will I get them in the bike? Can you? Yeah, they'll go in, won't they?
Should do.
Get Mum some of these beautiful fudgy things. Yeah. Oh, is it? You can have ice cream if you want one.
I'm right for now, thanks. But like,
This place is stunning.
think my next dessert stop is going to be the cheesecake, to be honest. We'll go back. You don't have to come, but I've got to have some with the cheesecake. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
That's the pizzeria, isn't it?
Ah, yeah. Oh, we came past here.
Yeah, we parked a bit further down there.
Let's have a quick look here and see where we can park the bikes.
Let's go past the MTO3. Oh, look at that too.
Yeah.
I don't think much can be done.
No. So they're just parking there, aren't they?
Yeah.
I wonder if he legally can park there.
Oh,
They've seemed to be there all day, haven't they?
yeah. Well, that guy's been there all day. The
Yeah.
yellow car.
Every time.
Do you want me to take that sugar?
No, you're okay. I like the roof.
Yeah.
I don't want panning up, I can just pan up, can't I? Toilet's there, look, Sandy, isn't there?
Yeah. Maybe that's just the name of that street.
Yeah, yeah. But how beautifully looked after. Is that just me?
Yeah.
Beautiful building, Short.
Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? So amazing.
This reminds me of back of Truro, round here.
You know what? I can sort of see that.
Yeah.